Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Izati binti Muhammad Rizal. Today I will present Chapter 6, Foundation of Business Intelligence, Databases and Information Management. Subtopic 6.2, What are the major capabilities of Database Management System (DBMS) and why is a rational DBMS so powerful? First, I will explain. Point number 1 is Database Management System. A database management system, DBMS, is a software that permits an organization to centralize data, manage them efficiently, and provide access to the stored data by application program. The DBMS acts as an interface between application program and the physical data files. When the application program calls for a data item such as gross pay, the DBMS finds this item in the database and presents it to the application program. How a DBMS solves the problems of the traditional file environment. A DBMS reduces data redundancy and inconsistency by minimizing isolated files in which the same data are repeated. The DBMS may not enable to organization to eliminate data redundancy entirely, but it can help control redundancy. Even if the organization maintains same redundant data using a DBMS, eliminated data inconsistency because the DBMS can help the organization ensure that every occurrence or redundant data has the same value. This is rational DBMS. The most popular type of DBMS today for PCs as well as for large computers and mainframes in the rational DBMS. Rational databases represent data as two-dimensional tables. Tables may be referred to as files. Each table contains data on an entity and its attributes. Microsoft Access is a relational DBMS for desktop system, whereas DB2, Oracle Database, and Microsoft SQL Server are rational DBMS for large mainframe and a mid-range computer. MySQL is a popular open source DBMS. And the last one is operation of a rational DBMS. In a rational database, three basic operations are used to develop useful set of data, which is select, join, and project. The next point of this subtopic is capabilities of database management system. A DBMS includes capabilities and tools for organizing, managing, and accessing the data in the database. The most important are its data definition language, data dictionary, and data manipulation language. Querying and reporting. DBMS includes tools for accessing and manipulating information in databases. Most DBMS have a specialized language called a data manipulation language that is used to add, change, delete, and retrieve the data in a database. In Microsoft Access, you will find features that enable users to create querying by identifying the tables and fields they want and the result, and then selecting the row from the database that meet particular criteria. Their actions in turn are translated into SQL commands. Microsoft Access and other DBMS include capabilities for report generation so that the data of interest can be displayed in a more structured and polished format that would be possible just by querying. That's all from me. Thank you.